Some people say another day, another dollar. But for me, another day is another day to get closer to God, homie. I'm trying to get y'all to feel me.
Fresh about the bed, breath stinking, but I'm praising. Life's so amazing when you walk away from Satan. Kiss the wife and kids, then I go to get the whip. Get the double back so I can take a little trip. Doors up, hop in, Alpine dropping. Rolling down the block like a million man marching. Every day's great up, got to stay prayed up. Looking at me funny, tell them haters get their weight up. Everybody really think that they know. Moving fast, they know where they go. Everybody wanna hang in the hood, where the homies up to no good. Yeah, but I'm a rider, I think I'm trying to do it good. Word to the wise, got no time to be floating. Playing with the hood, I had you laying up in a coffin. And I'm a rider, hit the block for the door, homie. Ain't nothing phony, cause they trying to get that macaroni. And so fly, that's why them haters got their eyes on me. Like Hollywood, I want the hood to see the sign, homie. No need to front, I can see it in your eyes, homie. You bout to die up in the streets, no lie, homie. Everybody really think that they know. Moving fast with nowhere to go. Yeah, but I'm a rider, I just wanna let you know. And everybody wanna hang in the hood, where the homies up to no good. Yeah, but I'm a rider, I think I'm trying to let it go. Life is like a microscope to see what you're made of. Simple-minded artists sell their soul for the paper. Live fast, die slow, live and learn is how we go. Life is like a movie, yo, until the end you never know. Oh, is it the belly of the beast? Or through the pearly gates where you walk the city streets? I got the counterattack to bring the hood back. And got a million more soldiers ready to combat. Everybody really think that they know. Moving fast with nowhere to go. Yeah, but I'm a rider.